New day brings new plush. This nice cat from the cartoon True and Rainbow Kingdom. This is Bartleby. He is so nice. He is smiling, kind and happy to meet new friends. If you can I can show it closer to you, and you can see that his face is smiling, he's happy, and he's ready to hug you with its paws. The size of the toy approximately 12 inches. That is soft from Minky. It has a tail like a cartoon, such long and thin, and such nose, and I think it will be pleasant for children to play with this toy because it is safe. Every detail is fixed very tight, so it is good for children. Now Cat says goodbye till next video.